Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV10 barely holds a charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, often due to battery wear over time. If left unattended, this problem can lead to reduced performance or even a complete failure of your device, making it unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson SV10, and possibly a plastic spudger to help with prying open the device. First, ensure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged and turn it off completely. Begin by removing the dust container to expose the screws securing the casing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws located at the back of the vacuum. Gently use the flathead screwdriver or a plastic spudger to pry open the casing, starting from the back and working your way around the device. Be cautious not to damage any clips or components as you do this. Once you have the casing open, locate the battery. It is typically situated near the bottom of the device. You may see some wires connected to it, so take care. Unscrew the screws securing the battery in place, and gently disconnect the wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, take your new compatible battery and connect the wires. Make sure they are firmly connected and secure the battery in place with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Simply plug in the vacuum and check if it charges properly. If it does, proceed to reattach the casing by aligning it carefully and pressing it back into place. Make sure all clips are secure and reinsert the screws at the back of the vacuum. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly charging your Dyson SV10 fully and avoiding letting the battery drain completely. Keeping your device clean and free from dust can also extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.